I'm boiling it. My creator. What's up, guys? How you all doing? It's a girl Pinky right here on your screens right now. I hope you guys are doing really good. So today we are going to do a cooking video, okay? As you guys know, this is my very first cooking video and it's going to be entitled Cooking Dinner for My Ghanaian Sister. Yeah, my Ghanaian sister, because I have a Togolese sister too. You know, this video is actually pre-recorded, okay? Unfortunately, I didn't record the shopping part, but I have a recording of the cooking process. So guys, let's jump right into it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen as well. Today we are cooking rice and cabbage stew. This is my first cooking video, no, like my second cooking video. So guys, come with me, let's do this together. So I already have my cabbage on fire. I'm boiling it. Already have the rice stew here, it's boiling. I don't know how you do your cabbage stew, but me, I do not like the scent that comes with the cabbage, so most of the time I boil it with salt before I use it to do my stew. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. This is my cabbage. It's all boiled up. These are taro leaves. I'm going to add it to the cabbage, okay? Just a little with the cabbage to give it some greenery. So I'm mixing it with this taro leaves, locally called kotomire. So guys, this is the steamed cabbage, some green pepper, grated onions and ginger. Some powdered pepper here, that's what I'm going to use. I have my nutmeg here, my chino curry powder, and then this is turmeric. So all these are going to be added to my stew. So first of all, I strain this. Yeah, the rice is ready, okay? I'm going to dip it into the water. The reason I dip it in the water is for it not to get stuck in the silver. Okay guys, an obvious call to action. If today is the first time on my channel, kindly do well to subscribe, okay? And also do well to like and share the video, okay? So like I said, the cooking video is pre-recorded and you can see that from my hairstyle, right? Yeah, how do you check my hair? Leave a comment down below from 1 to 10, 10 being very bad and 1 being really good, okay? So let me see your comments down below. Thanks for watching. So guys, the stew begins, okay? First of all, I use my red oil, pour it into the hot pan. I'm using red oil because that's what I have at my disposal right now. When it's hot, I'm gonna add a bit of this, the grated ginger and onions. So next, I add my grated onions and ginger. The next step is to add my tomato paste. This is pasty tom. From my previous cooking video, you guys know that I like pasty tom because it's so tasty. I don't know how you guys do your onions before you add it to your oil, but for me, I prefer to grate it because I feel like the grating is a bit faster for me and it makes the spice smoother. But then lastly, I have to still chop the onions and add to the stew for some fresh aroma. At this juncture, I allow the pasty tom tomato paste to fry a bit so that it will prevent it from having a sour taste. So I'm adding some water. I add my fish to it. I add the green pepper, powder pepper. I like a lot of pepper. I don't know how you do it in your house, so just leave a comment. This is the process used. I prefer the fish to be well cooked in the stew to make it tasty. I don't just want the taste of Maggi and spices. I want the fish to make the food tasty, so I prefer to put it in the stew early enough. Add water and leave it on the fire to boil. Then I add a little salt because I'll be adding some spices. I don't want to add too much. So I cover it. It's turmeric powder. So I learned how to use this kind of spices from the Hare Krishna temple. Most of the time, these are the things that they use. They use the turmeric powder a lot. This is curry powder. It gives the stew a nice taste. Our stew is in process. It's cooking, and guys, I bet you would love this food. The aroma alone is so appetizing, guys. I'm not even kidding with you right now. I don't know what this is called, and when they call it a joke, I should have added it earlier. If you know that, then kindly drop a comment down below. Let me know. Like the video and share to your friends. Okay. It's time to add my cabbage, okay? So guys, this is the final stage, okay? The final stage is that I chop some onion into the stew to give it some fresh flavor. Finally comes the end of our stew. This is how our stew looks like. I hope you can see it clearly. We are coming to dish out our meal, okay? This is dinner. It smells so delicious. The aroma is everything, guys. I'm not even kidding right now. So guys, this is the end product of everything that was happening in the kitchen. So it's time to take our dinner. So you guys are all invited. Yes, dear. All right, dear. So you guys, you're invited. Let me taste it first before I feed you, okay? I wish more life for I ask blessings for you. I wish good. So delicious. I just hope you guys are here. Wish goodness. But what can I do? For you. Let me feed you. Prosperity and success. Another one. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye. from your girl Pinky. Lest I forget, okay guys, do well to subscribe if today is your first time, and also do not forget to like and share the video. Okay, like the video and share to your friends. Let us support our girl. Okay, thanks for watching. Mwah.